Thank you for signing up to the Soul Contract Reading software. This short video will show you how to get started. We will look at how to generate a birth chart, the help that is available and how to use it, the different types of support and how to access them, and what to do next. We will look at how to generate a birth chart. When we log in, we will see the main chart set page, which contains 4 large buttons. To generate a new birth chart, we start by clicking the New Chart Set button. First we enter the name the person is currently using, and the age when he started using that name, in this case from birth, so we enter 0. Now we enter Alan's full birth name as it appears on his birth certificate. To save having to type the whole name in, we click this button, so now we only need to add his middle name. The chart set ID is used when we want to search for this chart set in the future. Usually we just use the person's current name. There is another button to do that for us. Now we enter Alan's birth date and it automatically picks up his birth sign. Because we are entering personal information into a computer system, we need consent from the person for whom we are creating the chart. In this case, Alan emailed us his written consent, and we received that email today. When the names appear in yellow, that means they will use a name credit to generate a chart. The other fields here are optional, so we do not need to add anything else. Later on in this video, we will see how you can use help to find out what the other fields are for. Meanwhile, to save the information we've entered, we click OK. We are now ready to generate his birth chart, which we do by clicking the Chart button. So here we can see the Star of David and all the aspects, and by default the symbols and the calculations are included. The numbers are also shown in a table. We click the Close button to close the chart set. We can also choose chart options, for example, not to include symbols or calculations. And here is a chart showing the numbers only. To print or email the chart, we create a PDF document. The way this works depends on your browser and settings. Using Chrome, we click the PDF button and it starts to produce the PDF, which appears at the bottom. When we click on that, we can see the chart's been generated. And then we can use the print icon to print a paper copy of the chart, or the download icon to save the chart to your device. We'll close the chart set and look at some other aspects of the software. You can use the software on up to 3 devices, for example your computer, tablet and smartphone. And any charts you generate on one device will be available on the others. Now we will have a look at what help is available. Firstly, there is the Help menu, which includes friendly and simple help. There are 3 different types of help from the pages within the system. Some pages have video help. By clicking on the large green video icon in the top right corner of the page, we can see a short video showing how that page works. Video help is currently only available for a few pages in the system, but we will be adding more in the future. We can get contextual help information about the page by clicking the large green help icon and clicking anywhere on the help window to close it. And there is also help for each item on the page using something called Help Mode. To activate Help Mode, we click the Help Mode toggle button in the top right hand corner of the page. The Help Mode toggle button itself changes to show Help Mode is on, and we see a small green or red help icon next to each item on the page. Clicking on the small help icon gives us detailed information about the item. We can click on the Close button when viewing help for an item, and we can switch Help Mode off again by clicking the Help Mode toggle button. There are 5 ports of call for support. Information and links for these are available via the support link in the footer at the bottom of the main pages. The first place to look is within the help system. We expect you will be able to find the answers to most of your questions here. If you have any questions or issues with your trial or paid subscription, click the billing support link to send us an email. And for technical support, click the technical support link. There are also 2 Facebook groups which allow you to connect with other users of the software. The first of these is the Software Facebook group, where members of the support team and experienced users of the software can answer questions if you're not sure how to do something in the software. There is also a group for readers of the book Your Soul Contract Decoded, where you can get advice with any questions you might have about names, charts, or interpretations, for example. Once you have finished watching this video, you will be given an opportunity to join these groups. We recommend you join both of them as most users find them very helpful. So now you are signed up, logged in, and ready to go, we suggest you do the following. Join the 2 Facebook groups, generate your own birth chart, generate birth charts for friends and family. Once you are familiar with birth charts, investigate other software features by looking in the help system. You may be interested in private sessions, workshops, or training courses. See the relevant menu items for details of these. If you need more new name credits once your trial has expired, click one of the upgrade buttons on the home page. So we would once again like to welcome you to the Soul Contract Reading software and becoming part of the growing community of Soul Contract readers.